Hi, my name is Mark Holliday Lee. I am a water lifestyle photographer on the North Shore of Oahu. I've been doing this for 7+ years and like doing it. And so today I wanted to take some of the experiences that I've had or experience that I have and just talk about some of the water housings I use. I do all kinds of water shots. I do shots in waves, big surf, small surf, brides jumping in the water, just all array of different things, from even product in the water, buoys, fruit, just anything. But this is some of the main equipment that I use. This right here is the excess housing. Mike Wags was a North Shore lifeguard, and he's the actual builder of this housing that I use for all my still photos. And it's just a very simple system. You know, this is the port, this is your actual housing. Put our camera in the housing. Make sure all your connections and all your dials are right, because once you put it in, you're done. And then just put it on like that, and then we just use screws and we screw each all the way around. I have 2 different ports for this housing, depending if I'm shooting with a fisheye, 50mm, 40mm, or 22mm. I would use this smaller housing. Yesterday I was shooting surf and I took out my 70-200, and this one actually goes in here. I'm able to control the zoom with this housing. And that's my excess housing. This I actually scored on Craigslist for $750, brand new. You're gonna pay $2 grand for those 2 ports in the body and pistol grip and everything. But if you look on Craigslist, you can actually find some really good deals. I picked this up on Craigslist for $50. And this, a lot of housings these days are made with glass. They're made with acrylics, they scratch easy. This is actually a glass housing. It's probably 20 years, 30 years old. It was originally made for film cameras. And I went in and I put the handle on here, welded the handle on, and changed out some of the knobs here. And I use this for a lot of video. And because the port is so big, it really helps for over-under shots. So if I'm trying to actually get, for instance, I shot a buoy, and I'm trying to get the buoy underwater and the boat on top, the guy's working on it. I'm able to get both of those in frame with a wide angle lens with the big port here. Another cheaper route to go is, well, that was 50 bucks. It's about as cheap as you're going to find. I have not seen anything remotely that cheap ever. That was, I don't know if that was a fluke or what. Cheapest way to get in the water to start off is to buy a water bag. This one is, let's see, Disapac, I don't know. But they're okay. I wouldn't go in waves with this or surf. I know some photographers that do. But it's a really simple process. You just open the bag, put your camera in, Ziploc it up, Velcro it up, and you can actually control a lot of functions with this housing. This is 100 bucks on eBay. You can probably even find it for cheaper, and there's a bunch of different manufacturers that make these. Another housing that I use, and I use these in combined with my other housings, is the GoPro Hero. This is the GoPro Hero 3 Black. Amazing camera, amazing video. I don't really do a whole lot of stills with it. A lot of times my clients will want a video to go along with their stills. And so this goes on here, and I'm able to shoot the video while I'm shooting the stills, and they have a little documentary of our shoot. Before all that, I would shoot film, and I still don't know how to pronounce this correctly, but Nikonos is been doing underwater cameras forever, and you can pick these up for relatively cheap on eBay too. Just make sure the O-rings are still good and make sure they still function. But this is a film camera, and great way to get started also. But that's kind of just the general, you know, the equipment that I use in the water when I'm doing lifestyle shots or surf shots. Most of the times if I'm doing lifestyle and surf, I'll have the fisheye, the 15mm Canon fisheye in with this port and this housing, and just get you can get a lot of people in one shot and just really clear shots. So thank you for watching, and hope to see you back here soon.